Welcome to our tutorial on removing special characters from text strings in Excel. We'll explore two powerful methods, utilizing the capabilities of Power Query for a user-friendly, interface-driven approach, and delving into the flexibility of VBA with a user-defined function for those who prefer a more customized solution. If you're using Excel 2010 or 2013, you might need to install Power Query as an add-in from the Microsoft website. For users with Excel 2016 or Excel 365, Power Query is conveniently pre-installed, providing a robust set of data transformation tools right at your fingertips. Start by selecting your dataset in Excel and navigating to the Data tab. Click from Table, Range, under the Get and Transform Data group to initiate the process of loading your data into Power Query for further refinement. Upon loading your data, a Create Table dialog box will appear, prompting you to confirm the range of cells and check the My Table Has Headers box if your data includes headers. Click OK to proceed and transform your data. You'll be taken to the Power Query Editor, a powerful interface that allows you to manipulate and transform your data with various tools and functions. Here, you'll find options to remove special characters from your text data. In the Power Query Editor, locate the Add Column tab and click Custom Column under the General group. This will open the Custom Column dialog box where you can define a new column based on existing data. In the Custom Column dialog, enter a descriptive name for your new column, such as without special characters, and in the formula box, type the formula equals text. Select first name A Z 0 9 inches to selectively extract alphanumeric characters. After entering the formula, click OK to apply it. A new column will appear, displaying the text data without any special characters. Make sure to replace first name with the actual header of the column you are working with. Once you've confirmed that the new column accurately reflects the cleaned data, go to the File tab in Power Query and click Close and Load to bring the refined data back into your Excel worksheet for further use or analysis. For users who prefer a more hands-on approach with VBA, creating a user-defined function offers a versatile way to remove special characters. To start, right-click the Sheet tab in Excel and select View Code to open the Visual Basic for Applications editor. In the VBA editor, carefully enter the provided code for the Remove Special Characters function. This function systematically iterates through each character in a string, replacing any special characters with an empty string, thus removing them. After saving the VBA code, return to your worksheet. In cell C2, or another cell where you want the result to appear, type the formula equals Remove Special Characters, A2. Where A2 is the cell containing the original text. To apply the UDF to multiple cells, use the fill handle in cell C2 to drag the formula down to other cells in the column. This will efficiently remove special characters from all the text in the range, providing a clean dataset. Congratulations! You've successfully learned two methods to remove special characters in Excel, empowering you to clean and prepare your text data with ease, whether through Power Query or with a custom VBA function. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips, tricks, and in-depth guides to enhance your data handling skills.